No.
Elvis na misheck ne maraga gire. Todo he ando mako meki faruwa. Na munene wa ori. More ne black American. Yes. Yo. Yo de o he to de wera marora. Yes, there are an NGO. They ne mother ya my do ko boreholes, wells, could be okay. Idi ma. No munene wa supervisor e. O de uma na iro vidi. Moy is a black American born and raised in the US of yes.
Hey.
No black Americans he ore mara ya edogo kiao. Yetiana yasu. Tarugo mudogo akiwa I want to come over to your place and talk to you. Mo black American I want to come over your place. I want to come over your place and talk about man. Make out the marula ya. Adogo they are somehow calm.
I don't know mare go toko kidogo.
Na nikiado gumata jokes funny. So how do ka mahano he no he go tiri mu he de comedy ani ate mwega yes you know I just want to say I love it. I love the water is nice, the swimming pool is just awesome, the beach line is friend, and I really love it. No black American man, no beach is just fine, man. You know I went to the beach in Mombasa, man. It's cool, man. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Na ne mare tu to tareje so
me mare tu ono gari to mu no ri no vase
ni okura kidogo
ni mama tagia chugo yes mo dosi wa ka hogi makiwe ni black man
American
na no gwara ya no hayawi huwa he modo manache maniri na moy manache okia o modo factory reset
mare kumau
reset settings. Yes. You see your camera, yo. How guy? How you doing, man? You good in job, man? That's what I'm saying. Where's Elvis, man? Elvis, you got it going on, man? Yeah, misheck. Yeah, I like what you do, man. Yeah, you're doing it nice. Yeah, you're pulling your own lever really nice. I like the way you drill them boreholes. No, that language does not sound very good.
No, you go too okay.
Oh my! Oh my God, is black man?
American.
Leo mo neo ka kuma chera loko. No ni ore area au makoma keto ke faru akiriko. Unio ka hang out na kidogo. Kama you just want to hang out a little bit. We got to do the nia ko ya madera. Yes.
Oh,
just want to have a little bit of yam chimer. You call it yam chimer? I love it, yam chimer, man. It's just cool, man. You know, it's what you call the barbecue. You know, go ma show ma barbecue.
Barbecue.
Yes. Barbecue. Oh, you love it on the ribs, you know.
Na barbecue no geto ikinene kule Haiti. Eude kyo kemoda kule ya.
Yo kemoda la ya kohoro.
Eude kiraroria.
Yes.
Udoreria prime minister guaya.
We. Kamura ka huko.
Oikare okugure we.
Oika okinderie kono kono.
Oko dokarange.
Oko dokarange.
Tiga tiga wira.
What are you? Do hana. Barbecue tigana.
Ocio ne mohio.
Ocio ne kemoda. Muna no wa ori. Waki wa ne mathira. Moka ma mani ma yadu makaya ka choma. Akai uhida ire tatu oguo. So akaigira gari akatia.
Agathie.
Yes. Ndwere mathira kwina thina muno wa irabu. Yes. Kwina mugururio.
No, kwina mugururio muhio muno rathi na mbere matura-ini.
Yes.
Twecere wa kuhitana na unyui wa njohi. Na njohi iria itari njitikirie.
Yes. Leo he andu maragithiete gukunda ngo oguo gicinia maji. Arerwa. You see, the reason why we are not taking you to usual joint. The usual is because there is a serious problem of the government.
You know, police
are arresting every linker. So now we have to go shoom. We have to go shoom.
Marima.
We take you shoom, then you enjoy yourself, and then finish
we go.
Because if we go many town, we shall get what?
Arrested.
And the arrest like today Friday, court is Monday.
You stay in,
or you eat, you You ho, the Ochoro.
Eko hori Ochoro.
You fu Ochoro. Up to Monday or Tuesday. My dear much. No problem, I gotta go on, man. Take me where you want to take me, man. I gotta go me now.
Oh, Mudosi on, I can know I go care, but
I don't care, but no, as long as we get a drink and I love me. I'm cool with that. Let's go wherever you want to go. I will go to Scots. Yes. Now you don't park here exactly where we are enter. Park front. Park by shop, then we enter through
back door
where we sell just you see where there is goat glazing. We pass it there. I like the whole idea. I just love it.
Marage tonya.
Ai tonya.
Itido.
Marahi gorona duda. Kore mora gwana duda. Duda skanya makarato manukaroka. Kudo gwen. I love it, man. It's cute, man. Well, see, the government don't want people to enjoy themselves like this. The government here is not very happy when we are happy. I mean, I don't get it, man. They're having a nice time, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got it.
Nale wish I could referee Mudosi wao.
Daga. Anyu aga marare fa. Gafra bin vure. Wotia to yeto watia. To sell out.
Ishero.
Si hade to ko logotika ne?
Ko logotika ine.
Si wangu ira kunyiro hendo maranyu ira ke.
Maranyu ira karugu fe.
Yes. Si wangu iroka. Sina metoma igithoithaga. Shiroka ituete nginya murango na matinari riga. Mundu ara kuhure ne kwarithio ukomithio thi lala chini araga walebi nyinyi lala chini hamuna tabu serikali mafunga bombe mnakuja lala kila mtu lala mnaenda wa kauye mpaka mrateri. This ones when they say you sleep you are supposed to even dose. This ones is the bad ones. Come is the bad ones. Mecha kitu mwele akome.
Nyako linguna gitende kia mushinga menye ukoma.
I was there. Yo, pull 'em, man. I know my rights. I know what I'm doing over here. You don't gotta mess with me. I know I've read the Constitution of Kenya. I know the Bill of Rights. I've read it all over. And I know my rights. So you don't gotta mess with me. You don't gotta mess with my rights. Because I'm gonna mess with you. Well, ain't nobody gonna shake me. Yeah, man. I'm the big bad nigger from the big bad city. What you talking about? What you saying? I ain't no fear no po-po. Black Americans met that for the police po-po. I ain't fear no po-po. Because the po-po. I ain't fear your po-po.
I think it's for the
police. What's it? And I didn't like them.
Yom Sungu.
And I didn't like him, so you know, Ganamabua. I said, you know, Ruwa for the rito. You kill Keu. Rehoro kureka modo sa fezeri ya kumagotu. Ginya ikai ukamidia rota. Akiroro gere. Wasikaje rade mwana adigwa.
Como que mwana adigwa.
Oi, wasikaje rage oi. Akahogere. Atirire mecha ki. Modo no.
Oche no mwana waria Gikuyu.
Oche no mwana. Waria ta mwesaka.
Arato kanirio heigere cia kiro.
Cia kiro aracoka akiri aracoka rugongo. What? Ai nginya Kenyeri. Ndeke tu operation hau mutika nguthe
no hatumuke
we mutika ndumune Uba odigo thina kuro kachipiro ri ara tie trajifa ke die guoya kungi
guoya rogongo ni urahuhurirwo ni cia wangu
roga kuma kamura anyua anyua no cia wangu ni stoaga mundu factory settings
Gathaiya na 36